Bayti Real Estate is delighted to offer this office space in the Arjuman building located in Dubai Investment Park 1. At 760 square foot, this unit will be offered as fitted finish and is situated on a mid-floor. The office is bright, compact and ready to move in. Public transport available to and from the DIP metro station, visitor parking available, and with a good range of local amenities, this is a perfect area to position your business. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.